Now that triathlon season is winding down, many of you will start to train indoors. I thought it might be helpful to provide some general indoor cycle training tips. First, set up your trainer and make sure that your tires are inflated to about 100 to 110 psi. And then tighten the tension on the trainer so that you actually see an indentation in the tire. And make sure that there's no slippage between the trainer and the tire, and repeat until you get the right tension that you want. Take your trainer workouts as an opportunity to work on your transitions. One of the best ways to master the art of clipping into your shoes while they're still attached to your pedals is during your trainer workouts. With your shoes already clipped into the pedals, pretend as if you're just leaving the bike mount line from transition 1. Start off in a neutral position, let the shoe drop, catch the opening with your toe, and then slip right into the shoe. Then spin around, make the other shoe come around, make that shoe drop, catch the opening with your toe, slip your foot into the shoe, and then you're off. Then you want to speed up and coast and repeat that process as necessary so that you can tighten the straps on your shoes. Working on this indoors will allow you to master this technique so that it will become second nature, so that you can carefully initiate this during triathlons, and with practice you'll be able to bring down your transition 1 time. If you find that you're having problems getting this to work, try checking your shoes. It could be that your shoes are too tight or they have too many straps. Try getting a shoe that is easy to get into and only has 1 strap. What you eat and drink on your rides can often be a complicated and unique formula, but you can work on this in the off-season. As a general rule, you have to realize that because you're indoors, you're going to sweat more, so you should probably consume at least 1 liter of fluid per hour. If you know how many calories you need to consume per hour given your body composition, we'll talk about this in future videos, but you probably want to try to work on that in the off-season. If you can, set up your trainer and your bike in front of a television. Popping in a DVD or watching a movie will allow you to break up some of the monotony of indoor riding. Do a 10 to 15 minute warm-up and then settle into a comfortable heart rate zone. Remember, the tension on the trainer is fixed and there's no downhill, so it's tougher than riding outside. A general rule of thumb is that an hour of continuous riding on the trainer is approximately equal to an hour and a half to 2 hours riding outside. Next time we'll talk about some specific workouts for building strength and endurance.